How to use Bollinger Bands and RSI together on Forex.com platform. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. First of all, you need to know what RSI means. RSI refers to the Relative Strength Index, and it means that a value of under 20 suggests that a market is oversold, while a value above 80 suggests it's overbought. And as with Bollinger Bands, if a market in a strong uptrend sees its RSI move above 80, the trend may soon come in for a reversal. So how to use Bollinger Bands and RSI together? You can head over to the stocks. Once you open up the charts, you need to go to the chart settings and head over to add the indicators. Once you're in this indicator page, tap on the search bar and search for Bollinger. Choose this Bollinger Bands. It has been added to the chart. Also search for RSI, select this Relative Strength Index and add it to the chart as well. Now you can see in the charts it has been both applied. So in order to use them together, what you can do is you can buy when the price hits bottom Bollinger Band and the RSI is 30 or below, and sell when the price either hits minimum level for acceptable profit or the price hits top band and RSI is 70 or above. You can use RSI and Bollinger Bands together for your profit. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.